Let's see how to add buttons in Wix. So, buttons allows you to go to other page of your site. And to do that, just go here in Elements button, and here in the buttons, you can see many designs right here, from themed buttons, text and icon, image, document, iTunes buttons, and even some payment buttons. Let's just say go to this text and icon buttons. Let's choose. Let's say I want to have this kind of button right here. There. You just drag it and then drop it here. After that, you can link it to the page where you want your clients or your customers to be led. Let's say it's resume. Done. And in the settings, you can rename your text. Let's say it's resume. And you can edit the designer here. You can customize your designs, your background fills, customize fill, you can change image, or you can color it. And color it, change the color. And just like that. When we go to preview, and you press this, it's gonna go to the resume page. And that's it. That's how to add buttons in Wix. See you soon!